Hello everyone, I am a research scholar and my topic of research is Industry 4.0, that is fourth industrial revolution. In this video, I am discussing some challenges in the adoption of these advanced technologies under the umbrella of Industry 4.0 and some proposed solutions. So this video is about challenges as well as proposed solutions at a glance in Indian context. So basically some challenges are collected from literature review. Okay. First challenge you can say insignificant upfront investments. As Industry 4.0 or fourth industrial revolution environment consists of recent as well as advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, augmented reality, additive manufacturing, etc. So setting up cost is really high. So every manufacturing industry is not able to opt for such high cost technologies under the umbrella of Industry 4.0. So what can be proposed solutions? First, collaborative nature of distinct manufacturing industries with distinct technology. Like I can have AI, another industry can have VR, another can have AR, and they can work collaboratively. Second one, you can say subsidies should be offered by technology providers so that huge high cost does not seems to be a burden. Lack of skilled workers. So in nation like India, manpower is available at cheaper cost, but most of the times they lag in skills because now, as due to COVID, there is a tremendous transformation of everything into digitalization, you can say. So to think about implementing Industry 4.0 with highly advanced and complex technologies, Indian industries need skilled workers to handle such advanced technologies. So we need to update ourselves as well as all others working nearby us. So for this challenge, proposed solutions are, you can say, adequate training to be provided from time to time. So we can train, like we can have every year a training program of 1 month so that workers can learn new skills to offer technology friendly working environments. So in India, electance behavior is so much there. So we need to make each and everyone little bit technology friendly. Cyber security, next challenge. In Industry 4.0 era, everything is connected via internet under the concepts of Internet of Things and Industrial Internet of Things. The input for Industry 4.0 is basically data, but keeping the data safe from cyber attacks, hackers is again a challenging task to deal with. For this challenge, we can have solutions like to encrypt data with strong passwords, passcodes, and to have a well-established cyber team. Poor understanding on Industry 4.0 implications. So I generally feel this concept is not well defined. That's why everybody thinks it is a buzzword. So Industry 4.0 is not clearly defined. That's the reason why it is not easy to understand Industry 4.0 buzzword so quickly. Actually, it is like an umbrella under which so many advanced technologies come. So this makes more challenging to define Industry 4.0 precisely and accurately. So solutions can be, we need to define like a meaningful definition of Industry 4.0 is needed. Second, you can say we need to spread awareness about technologies relevant to Industry 4.0 like blockchain, augmented reality, virtual reality, cloud computing, and so on. Now, low research and development on Industry 4.0 implementation. Business transformation from conventional way to advanced digital way is not that much easy, though it is very easy to think about it. But when we go to implementation stage, there are so many challenges because there are many resistances offered in distinct forms. It is because only few organizations are working with well-defined research and development departments, or you can say teams. So if you look with the full attention, you will find so many organizations are working without R&D department. So proposed solution can be R&D departments need to be made mandatory for every organization. First one, you can have this as a solution. And second, you can say international collaborations will play a vital role for successful implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies. So if like Industry A is having R&D team, Industry B is having R&D team in any another country, so they need to coordinate with each other. So I am just making this video for 5 challenges and their proposed solutions. So I request each and everyone who know something about Industry 4.0, please put your views in comment section, and you can suggest me more proposed solutions. Thank you so much. If you proposed me some solutions, it will definitely help my research work. Thank you so much.